I was always known for doing some things that were a little different. And in my head, it was natural to do this because I was searching for things for myself and then sustainable options. I was experimenting using coconut flour and using the coconut milk. Personally, I feel so much better when I don't eat grains. But more from a balance perspective, it's about looking for alternatives. So we're so used to eating grains of wheat, rice, corn specifically being one of the most prevalent grains in the world. All of the things that are mass agriculture that tend to really focus around a lot of pesticides, non-organic, non-artisanal. So one of the main reasons I do this and I bring forward these alternative flours and alternative options is really just to show that we can use these things and that we can sustain ourselves and possibly even sustain ourselves in a better way than if we go for just the obvious all the time. If you put potatoes on the menu, everybody's going to go for the potato fries, or the chips as we call it in England. They're not going to try the local root vegetables, the yucca, the malanga, the different things that we seek out to champion and to show people. It's the same with plantain. It's such an incredible, sustainable food source. And yet, it's seen as either a kind of a throwaway item or it's used as a side dish, doesn't really have much value to it. But when you can educate people that this is a healthy food source, but actually use it in creative ways, then they can get excited about it. So one of my missions is to re-educate people in understanding that these food sources that we have in the local areas can actually be used to turn into things that had never been thought possible. I'm a creator, and in this context, I'm a food innovator, I would say. I just like to look at creative ways of using food. From my perspective, it's just having fun, exploring ideas. So I'm very grateful and glad if it can benefit others.